Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel PD Tutorial, and today in this video I am going to solve some of the questions related to Cauchy integral formula, and I am going to solve some problem from GATE, CSR NET and university exams. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here I have written the Cauchy integral formula first. This is the sign for contour integration on contour C. Fz upon z minus z naught to the power n plus 1 dz is equals to fn z naught upon n factorial 2 pi I. Okay, so here z naught is what? The singular point of that function, complex function f. And I hope you know the meaning of the singular point, how to find the singular point, and I am going to make the separate video on singularities, okay, very soon. So let's start with the first question. This question is from GATE 1991. This is the question. So firstly we have to find the singular point of this function. So as you can see, z is equals to 1 is the singular point and z is equals to 3 are singularities of f. Here the contour is what? The circle with center 0 and radius 4 and 1. The z is equals to 1 and 3. Both the points lies inside the circle. Both the points lies inside the circle. Just let this is 0. This is 4. This is minus 4. This is 4. This is 4i. This is plus 4i. Okay. So this point lies inside it. So these are the singularities of the function f. Now we are going to use the Cauchy-Goursat theorem, by which we know that we can differentiate any integral of contour C separately like this, integrating it for z is equals to 1 and z is equals to 3. Okay. So write contour C, that is mod z is equals to 4, f is equals to what? Contour, what is fz? Fz is that function e to the power, for z is equals to 1, fz is e to z upon z minus 3, this portion. This is fz. So fz is e to z upon z minus 3. Z minus z naught is z minus 1. I am writing according to standard form. Okay. So this is for z is equals to 1 plus this is mod z is equals to 4. This is mod z is equals to 4. Another one, fz. Now for z is equals to 3, fz is e to the power 2z, z is equals to 1. So e to the power 2z, z minus 1 upon z minus z naught, that is z minus 3. Okay, this is dz, this is dz. Now this formula is equals to what? F and z naught, and is what? This is the power of z minus z naught and plus 1. So here the power is already 1, that is, this means n is equals to 0. In this case f z naught, so z naught is here 1 upon n factorial, which is 0 factorial 2 pi I. Similarly on this side, here n is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So here f 1, here sorry, not 1, here singularity is 3, so z naught is 3, n factorial, that is 0 2 pi I. Take 2 pi I common. 0 factorial is nothing but the value of 0 factorial is 1. So putting the value of f1, this is f. So this is, put the value of f1 in this. This is because this is fz. So fz is e2 minus 2 plus, put the value of f3. This is e6. This is 3 minus 1, 2. Take 2 outside. This is pi I e6 minus e2 After solving again, square is e4 minus 1. This is the answer. Now move on to the second question. Now the next question is contour mod z is equals to 2 e2z upon z plus 1 to the power 4 dz. Okay, again we are start with the finding the singularity. Singularity is here z plus 1 is equals to 4. So the singularities is minus 1. Okay, z is equals to minus 1 is the singularity, because at this point this function is not analytic. And if this belong to that contour C, yes, it's belong to the contour C, because if you draw the circle, it is origin, this is the radius, and minus 1 lies here, so it comes inside the contour. So z is equals to minus 1 belongs to contour, that is mod z is equals to 4. Okay, sorry, 2. Now according to the formula we can write contour fz naught z minus z naught n plus 1, this is z, dz is equals to what, fn z naught upon n factorial 2 pi I. So this is fz is e2z. Here this is already in the form of fz, this is z minus z naught n plus 1. So we are going to write the left hand side part. So after this, so this is the Cauchy integral formula. Using this we are going to integrate this. So that form, the right hand side is just same as this. Okay, so this is fz e2z upon z plus 1 to the power 4 dz. So moving on to this side, we can find this contour, that is fn, that is n is what, n plus 1, this is n plus 1. So this is 3 plus 1, n is equals to 3 here. So this is 3, z naught is what, minus 1 upon n factorial, n is 3, 3 factorial 2 pi I. Okay, solve it 2 pi I, and so differentiate it thrice, we get 8e2z after integrating it, and this will become 3 factorial. After putting the value minus 1 in place of z, we get 2 pi I 8 e to the power minus 2, this is 3 into 2 into 1, 2 get cancelled, this will become 8 pi I e to the power minus 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. Here we draw a circle with center 0 and radius 3. So it is very clear that 2 comes inside this circle, but 4 is outside that circle with radius 3. So only singularity is z is equals to 2. Okay, now we can write contour. What is our fz? Because z is equals to minus z is equals to 2 is a singularity, so this will become our fz. So this is sin pi z square cos pi z square z minus 4 upon z minus 2 dz. Now this is f and z naught. So fn, n is what, either here 0 plus 1. So f z naught is what, 2. This is n factorial, again 0 factorial 2 pi I. So what is, by putting the value of 2 in fz, it will become sin pi, that is after putting 2 to 4, 4 pi plus cos 4 pi upon 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 factorial is 1, this is 2 pi I, 2 get cancelled, this will become sin 4 pi is 0 and cos 4 pi is 1, this is minus 1, this is pi I, so this is minus pi I. Answer. Have any query, please tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.